Hello everyone, here is a problem, an equation, chapter 6, additional mathematics, IGCSE. So let's see how we can solve this problem. Well, looking at this equation, and we can see the exponential terms like e to the power of 2x. The first thing that might come to our mind is to use this substitution method to change this equation, turn this equation into a quadratic equation, and then solve the quadratic equation and then find the answer for x's because we have two answers. But this equation here contains four terms, right? And quadratic equations are mostly made up of three terms. So let's see how we can solve this problem then. So the first step is to let's move 10 to the other side of the equation. I will rearrange the equation here. 5x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 2 times e to the power of 2x plus 2e to the power of 2x negative 10 is equal to 0. So then, since there are four terms in this equation, I will look for each pair to see if they have something in common to factorize. So because we need to factorize this equation to get the answer. Let's to make it easier, let me move this negative 10 next to 5x to the power of 2. So if I move this 10 next to 5 to the 5 times x to the power of 2, it will be again negative 10 negative x to the power of 2 e to the power of 2x plus 2e to the power of 2x is equal to 0, right? So now let's see what we can do. So we have two pairs now, and then from the first one I can factorize 5 from this pair. So if I factorize 5, it will be left with x to the power of 2 minus 2, right? And from the second one, negative, if I factorize e to the power of 2x, I will be left with x to the power of 2, okay, minus 2 is equal to 0. So now it is getting more obvious. So now I can factorize these parentheses from this equation. So it will be x to the power of 2 minus 2 times, from the first term, from the first part, 5, okay, negative e to the power of 2x is equal to 0. All right, so now we have already factorized this scary equation, and then we have got to this answer, to this part. Now I will set them each parenthesis set to equal to 0, and then I can solve for x. So let's say x to the power of 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x will be equal to positive negative square root of 2. So this is two values for x, okay, one positive square root of 2 and one negative square root 2. So now the second parenthesis is 5 minus e to the power of 2x is equal to 0. Therefore it will be 5 is equal to e to the power of 2x, and then I will take ln from both sides, natural logarithm from both sides of the equation, okay, and then it will be ln, or natural logarithm 5, is equal to 2x, right? And then x will be equal to a half of natural logarithm of 5. So this is another answer. So this equation had three answers, right? And we found three values for this equation. Alright, thanks for watching this video, and please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.